Hello everyone, welcome back and Happy New Year. It's an exciting video that I'm going to be sharing with you today to show you how to do a tablescape and talk about some of the traditions that we do on New Year's Eve. I'm curious if any of these traditions will be new to you, so let me a comment down below if there's something different that you do on New Year's Eve or if you have seen these before. So starting with the tablescape, I do like to layer up a couple of pieces here. I have this green backdrop that I'm starting with, and green in feng shui is a symbol of renewal or regeneration, and so that is a nice theme to have underlined for your New Year's party. I then layer up some place settings here, and I want to think about what am I going to place on this table now that's going to give it that New Year's theme. So one of the things that I add are these paper cranes. So paper cranes in a lot of cultures symbolize many things: longevity, peace, good fortune, and living in harmony with others. So I think that this is a really fun project to add to my table setting. I went ahead and I did mine with these pre-cut paper in this thick, heavy-duty shine paper, and the reason that I'm using this creaser is because this paper is quite thick, and I do want them to be heavy-duty, so it takes a little bit of finger strength to do, but afterwards it's a very beautiful effect. And I add a string to run through there, and so that I could put little tags on there so that you can hang them up afterwards, put your New Year's resolution on them, put the names on them from the people in your family, and you can save these after New Year's. Now, bringing in a little bit more of that gold theme, this is actually an acrylic pour done over the canvases from the Dollar Tree. You've seen it done in another video. It's the same technique that I used for the green placemats. And then after I did the acrylic pours, I added this nice felt backing to it to give it a finished and polished edge. Now, the gold is important to bring in also again in feng shui because that's going to represent abundance. And so that's going to help you bring in that really positive energy when it comes to wealth and attracting more money into your life. Now, on New Year's Eve, one of the things we like to do is eat sushi. You can see I'm setting up some sushi trays here. And growing up, we actually ate pork. What did you eat on New Year's Eve? This little fireburst is so cute. This is just one of those Christmas light firebursts, and I add the red in there to make it look like a firecracker effect, which I think turns out really cute. Now, my husband and his family are from Germany, and so this is something they do there. This is called Bleigiessen, and this is something where it's called actually lead pouring. I'm going to link one in the description below that does not have any lead in it that would be safe for you and your family, but you will see that's why I'm not touching this one. This is for demonstration purposes only. And then I also have some red wax that I'll set up. You can do the same thing with that. What you'll do is you'll take that small spoon there, you'll melt that down into either the melted wax or kind of that molten rock, and then you pour it into the water. You see that little flower there? That's kind of one of the shapes that I got after pouring that into the water, and then they'd use that to tell a fortune. So it's really a lot of fun. What would New Year's Eve be without some clocks? So I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and spread those out on the table just to add that little extra hint and nod to the New Year's midnight effect. I'll put out champagne glasses for toasting at midnight with champagne or sparkling juice, whatever you prefer. And this is kind of the table setting that we have set up for this year on New Year's. I hope that you found this interesting, and I would be really curious to hear what you do at your home to kind of promote that good fortune and good health coming into the new year. I will also link in the description below a little bit more information about Bleigiessen and how you can incorporate that fun tradition into your family home as well. It's actually really interesting. The rose that I showed you before is something that symbolizes, for example, friendship and also good fortune and a harmonious marriage. So it is interesting what you'll find, and hopefully you get a good fortune for your new year as well. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Please like if you enjoyed this video. Bye!